Today I'm going to show you something completely different than I do. Usually I show you how to repair these machines here and there, how to repair yourself, and information about them. But today I'm going to show you something completely different, that is how to build this BMW M6 GT3 for your kids. Probably that is something that you can do at home, and probably you can do it without my help too, because you know, it's something that everybody can do. But why not showing you, since I do all this type of repair, and this will be the new addition to the i.e.eurosforlife family, an M6 GT3. And finally, the build is completely done. As I say, I am not only repair real BMWs. I actually do toy BMWs, and this is going to be a very exciting toy for my niece. This is going to be for my niece actually. So, I'm going to show you how to operate it. This one has this remote. This is going to be to control the vehicle, and this is going to be if you don't want the child to control the vehicle. But if you want your child to control the vehicle, well, this will be completely useless. But anyway, freeze to turn it on. It has a switch to turn it on over here. Comes with sounds and everything.
Music play.
So that's a feedback telling you that the vehicle is ready and active to get operated. Also, we have the controls over here. This is the control panel, and we have the controls. These controls are going to be to select what do you want. This one is going to be for the a manual override with the passenger here, with the driver. You can control it. So we have the gear selection here, over here, on this lever. It actually works. So you put it on drive, reverse, drive 1, this is reverse, parking, drive 1, drive 2, and drive 3. Those are the 3 speeds that this motor has. So as soon as you put it on drive 1, you can hit the gas over here and start moving. See, put it in reverse. The only problem with this one is that it doesn't have a brake. That is something that I see, that it doesn't have a brake. But the motor immediately, as soon as you stop pressing the gas, it brakes. But if you have to do an emergency brake, good luck with that. Yeah, that's a good luck. Yeah. But anyway, probably you won't have to deal with that because you're gonna be operating the remote too. So to operate the remote, what you have to do is to come to the same control panel and press this one over here, and then we can override it with the remote. We can go forward, or we can go to the back. To pair the remote is not paired from factory. So all you have to do is to install 2 batteries, AAA, and then turn the vehicle on.
Cut. Just kidding.
Hello. Yes. Yeah. So as soon as you activate the control panel button to override the control remote, you're gonna have full control of the toy. So you push it, you go forward, you go backward, and you can control the steering wheel, the direction of the steering wheel too. That's pretty cool. And you also can control the speed. This will be to the speed. And in this case we have a sudden stop, which is going to be this one. Then it's not going to activate anything. See? The sudden stop, this one right here. So this is just an emergency stop in case you are going to crash, which probably is not going to prevent it anyway, but it has an emergency stop. So because if you go like this and I stop it stops. See, that is what it says. Okay, and I have to press it again to deactivate that mode, and then I can use it. Okay. Pretty neat. So here we have the newest addition to the i.e.euros community, the BMW M6 GT3. Probably we cannot afford it in real life, but we have it on this toy now, and it is ready for my niece to enjoy it. I wish I had this when I was a kid, and she is, taking making all my wishes come true. So she has a very nice, a very neat BMW, and with this She is going to be part of the i.e.eurosforlife community, and she is going to support us everywhere she goes. Hope you like this video with the newest additions and with all additions or BMWs right there. And any questions about it, you can read the manual. You don't ask me anything, that is the manual. If you have any question about how to build this, and anything else to add to this video, if you want something to add, something important, you can use the comment section below. You want to ask me anything, go to Instagram, look for me, Francisco Maya YouTube. There you can ask me whatever you want. And if you like the video, make sure to like it. That's very important. Share it with anybody that wants to build something like this or wants to repair a real BMW. I have plenty of videos like that. Subscribe to the channel is very important as well. Thank you.
You drive it to me?
Okay, let me get it straight like this.
Alright, drive it to me?